Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a new Apple ID account. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go to the settings of your iPhone. Then what you should do is simply click on your name or your account name right here. After that, it will jump you directly to this page. And this is where you can actually have the Apple ID. And now we're going to create a new one just like this. You can use it on the same iPhone or another iPhone. It doesn't really matter. And now you should go to the browser. It doesn't matter what browser you use. Then you should now search for appleid.apple.com. It will jump you directly to this page. You have to click on the arrow on the top right corner right here. It will show you these three options. You just have to click on create your Apple ID. And now you will have to enter the first and last name, the country, region, the birthday, and a new Apple ID. And you should know that when you enter an email, you should use a new one that you haven't already used in other Apple IDs before. Then you should enter the password, confirm it, enter your phone number, and finally you can choose whether you like to verify it using the text messages or the phone calls. You just have to choose one of them. Then click on continue. Once you fill in all these information, it will jump you directly to this page. You'll just have to type the characters in the image, then click on continue. And by this way, now you have a new Apple ID. You can now use it on the same phone that you're using or any other phone. And to use this Apple ID on my phone, I should open the settings, then head down below, then click on sign out right here. It will drop me directly to this page. This is my Apple ID that I'm using right now. You just have to type the password of your current Apple ID that is signed in on your iPhone. After that, you'll be able to sign out, and then you will have to use the new Apple ID, enter the email, the password, then you will be able to sign in using the new Apple ID. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.